Scientists just revealed a shocking discovery about your brain. It goes through 5 distinct eras during your lifetime, and the turning points happen at ages you'd never expect. Brain scans of thousands of people revealed that the human brain has 5 distinct stages of organization. The turning points happen at age 9, 32, 66, and 83. Between each of these ages, your brain tends to experience the same types of changes as everyone else. It's like a developmental roadmap we all follow. But that's not the only discovery. Researchers also found something strange about baby brains. You don't remember being a newborn, but your brain was making memories. And wait, here's the wild part. A study of the infant hippocampus found that babies can store memories as early as 1 year old. We just can't access them as adults. There's another oddity about newborn brains. They have very high levels of a protein that in adults indicates Alzheimer's disease. Tau proteins help stabilize brain cell structure, but they can undergo chemical changes that cause them to tangle up, a process linked to Alzheimer's. The fact that healthy newborns have high levels of these proteins, which later decrease, suggests that the damage in adults might be reversible. Scientists also overturned something we've believed for decades. They thought you're born with all the neurons you'll ever have. But researchers discovered newly formed neurons and the precursor cells that birthed them in adult brains, some as old as 78 years. One neurobiologist said this should finally put the debate to rest. Adults can form new neurons. It's called neurogenesis. Here's another bizarre finding. When you imagine an apple, your brain activity is almost identical to when you actually see an apple. So, how does your brain know what's real and what's imagined? Scientists discovered a reality signal generated by a region called the fusiform gyrus. Another brain region then evaluates that signal to determine if something is real or imagined. Dysfunction here could cause hallucinations. There's also hope for Huntington's disease. A drug called AMT-130 has been shown to slow the progression of this rare genetic neurological disorder. If approved, it would be the first treatment that actually treats Huntington's disease itself, not just the symptoms. The more we learn about the brain, the more we realize how much we didn't know, and how much potential there is to heal what we thought was permanent. Your brain isn't fixed. It's constantly changing across 5 eras, making new neurons and separating reality from imagination. Pretty incredible for 3 pounds of tissue.